Hey guys, how we doing? And welcome to Lee Slot Cars. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a product review. Now this is a product sent to me by Andy Harwood, and Andy sent me quite a lot of 3D print stuff over the last few months, and you know, I've mentioned a lot of it on my previous videos, but I think I'm going to dedicate this short video to the latest product he sent me because I really love it, and I think it'll be a big hit with everyone. So I'm going to go through this. I'll tell you how you can get in touch with Andy. I mean, Andy is rapidly becoming an unofficial sponsor of this channel. He's really sent me some cracking stuff. So let's have a look at this, shall we? Okay, so what Andy has sent me, which I'm particularly excited about, is these trackside barriers. And there's a whole load of different ones to choose from. I'll go through them quickly, just so you can get a feel of the sort of variety that we've got here. Everything pretty much that you would normally see on a racetrack, to be honest. Absolutely brilliant. They really stand out. But what I really like about these, it's actually done by a 3D printer. And so the wording on it is, I don't know if you can see it from the video, it's slightly embossed, three-dimensional. So it gives it a bit of texture, and they're really bendy as well, which is great. And I'll tell you for why in a minute. Now, they come with these little track clips. And what you do is simply grab a piece of track. So we use this digital lane changer that I'm not using at the minute, and they literally, the clips fit in the side like that, and it's not very bright in here, I can't see very well, and they literally just slot in like that, as easy as that, and they look really effective. I love them. The beauty is you can also use them on the curves. Now I'll take the phone off and show you because I was too excited to try them, so they're on the layout, so I'll show you those in a minute. So that's these borders. The other thing he did, and this was really special, is he did some bespoke Lee's slot cars. They're so cool. I love them. I mean, I haven't got the best logo in the world, but you know, these really capture it in terms of the colours and everything, so I'm chuffed to bits with those. And also a larger one sent me 2 of these. Absolutely brilliant. So these are all going to go on the layout at some point. Might even do it today actually, because I've got big plans for all this. Now in terms of price for these, it is £16 for a set of 4. And I imagine you can pick which ones you want, but obviously liaise with Andy on that if you're interested. So it's £16 for a pack of 4, but if you want another 4 sort of subsequent packs on top of this, will be 12. So if you wanted 8, for example, it'd be 28 quid and all the clips that you need to do it. But I think it's well worth it. On my layout, as you know, a lot of my borders are made from foam board, and they're great, they look good with stick-on decals, but I'm going to be replacing some of them with these, and I think this is going to be a job for today. So let's have a quick look at some that are on the layout already. So I did make a start putting them on. So you've got some on this corner here. Don't they look sharp? They really pop out. I love them. And of course, because of the bendiness of the material, if that's a technical phrase, they fit nicely around an R2 curve. I plan to, oh yeah, I've put some more there at the front there, and these look really good with the crash fence as well. So you know, they look so good. So my plan is, with the rest of them, I'm going to continue over the back all the way along there as far as I can get with them, and I think these look good just here. So I'm going to get those fitted on, and I probably won't put this on the video because it can tie that in with something else I've got planned in the future. So think you'll agree, they look really smart. The other thing that Andy sent me were these crash fences, which are absolutely brilliant. I mean, I've popped a wire through there. I'll take that up for the time being. I was just trying it out. That is a wire, you know, like the spiral wire you get in a notebook. It's one of those, and straightened out. But yeah, got the crash fences as well. But I'll feature those more in another video, and I can give you details on how you can get hold of those. But they look really good. I had temporary ones built there. Well, no, not temporary. I was happy with them, but when Andy sent me these, I thought, right, I've got to be using these. So they need a bit of paint work at the back, decals on the front. Off we go. And I haven't tried this yet, but it might be that, yeah, might be that I could start. That'll look really good, actually. I think I might stick one of those on each. Yeah, why not? Right, back over to the shed, to the bench. Brilliant. That's all I can say. Andy, thank you very much for sending these, mate. I'm always more than happy to receive anything that you're making. I'm fascinated by 3D printing, but it's not something I'm going to be doing myself because, you know, I just don't have the time or resources. So I think you'll agree, they are pretty. Right, well, this video has been a shameless plug for the stuff that Andy's doing, and why wouldn't I? You know, it's really generous of the guy sending me this stuff, and I know he likes to see it featured on the videos. And you know, I did say to him, look, are you sure you're happy to keep sending me, you know, this 3D printed stuff, because it costs money and it takes time to do? And his reply was, he gets his enjoyment over seeing how enthusiastic I am in receiving it, and I think that's a lovely touch. Best way to find Andy, I would say, is through his Facebook channel. And I'm having to read this because it doesn't exactly roll off the tongue, but I want to get it right. It's Slot Car 3D Printed Scenery, bringing my two hobbies together. So if you search that, you'll find Andy's group on Facebook. It's got a big following. I think there's sort of up to 3,000 followers. But anyway, check out the group, and if you're interested, contact Andy, and I'm sure we'll be able to help you. So that's it. Thanks again, Andy. You all have a good week. I hope you guys are all enjoying the Slot Festival, or have enjoyed the Slot Festival, and we'll catch up real soon. In the meantime, you all take care, my friends. Bye now.